All right, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is for the YouTube channel. I just want to quickly analyze two coins. And once I'm done, I want to tell you what I think about those coins, and let's see how they will play out in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm giving them maximum of 4 weeks to do whatever they want to do and bring out that structure. So I will be using structure to explain what I'm going to use. Structures alone. I'm not going to use. I'm not going to use any other thing than the structure of the market. So I'm going to look at the market, look at the structure.
Yes. Okay.
I will make sure all I'm going to do is going to be only on structure. So when I see the structure, I will tell you what I think the market will do. So this is it. I'm going to do for just two coins. The first one I'm going to talk about is fortube. Fortube BTC. So fundamentally, what is fortube? If you go into CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, let's quickly check at CoinGecko. What is fortube? What is it about? Do they have strong, that's the first thing you need there to do is to check the fundamentals of that thing, okay? Fortube. Let's check the fundamental of fortube. So is market cap rank 561. Community, these are community tags, okay? Market cap 49 million USD. So 24 hours, okay? Total value lock 6 million USD, okay? Market supply $1 billion of 1 billion fortube, okay? Circulating supply 563 million fortube. So they still have like 400 million left, okay? More than 400 million of this coin left, okay? That is good. That's good, not a bad stuff. So when I check the price there, I think for what I'm seeing, I'm just summarizing. I'm okay. Actually, looking at the total value lock, I'm cool with the information. So I come back to my chart. I bring it. Let's go from week one. What do we have on week one? Okay, on week one, after this breakout, there was this is like an accumulation. Okay, not bad. After the whole rejection, everything is good. Then I switch to 1 day. Let me go to 1 day. I'm supposed to go to a month or something like that, but it's too much for me. Okay, 1 day. It's not bad on day one. This look like a support is here. It looks like a support is at this junction where we have the market bouncing back from this area. I didn't consider this wink because this happened because of BTC dump. So I'm not going to consider it. It's not part of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this place where we have full candles. There's a support. So that is good for me. Then I switch to 4 hours to look at the structure of 4 hours. So what am I seeing here on 4 hours? Let me enlarge this. This is looking good. Wow. Okay. On 4 hours, we have the market has been selling for a while. After the sell that happened from here to this place, there was a little buy. I'm looking at the overall structure. Then a sell happened again to this place. So there was a simple buy to this junction. Then we have the sell. Okay. I think we should have this. Now, why do I think we should have this? It's very important. We all know that. It's very important you know why I think that will happen. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the structure here. Okay, looking at the overall support region here that I identify on day one. So this place look like there is a support in this area. So this like is an area of support. So with the structure here now, remember what we talk about inverse head and shoulder. So this look like an inverse head and shoulder. So if you look at this place, this is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. Okay, this is shoulder. Yeah. So this is another shoulder at this junction. Okay, shoulder. Yeah, awesome. Right? So where is the head? We have the head here. And you know what happens when you see this structure? Head. So this is an inverse head and shoulder. So when we have this, especially on a support level, when you have this kind of structure on a support level, you know what is about to happen next. The market is about to blow out. So where are the possible area of take profit? The first place is this junction. It's at this junction. This is your first area of take profit. And that is almost 100% if you look at it from this current price. It's almost 100%. The second area of take profit is here. That's the ultimate area where you should take your profit at this junction. You should take profit as well. And at this junction now, you are a cool catch if you get it. Now, where do you stop your loss? Let's say this market goes against you. Let's assume it doesn't work the way we plan it to work. This is where you take your loss. I'm going to use a straight line to do that. Okay, at this junction, stop loss at this junction. If the market should go below this, so if a candle should close below this support area, take your loss and get out of the market. But then I'm not expecting the market to do this. Now, where do you enter the market? At what junction should you enter this market now? From here, anything in this area, inside this box. So from 180 to 174, any area around that area, any place around that area is a good entry point. You can enter the market at that junction. At any point here now, you can enter the market. Don't forget, your stop loss should be at this red line, that is 144. If you enter here, your stop loss should be here around 144, 145. Your take profit first one, 240. The second take profit is around 280. So that is about fortube. That's the first coin. I said I'm going to talk about two coins. The second one is front. Okay, let's look at front. All these two coins, front BTC, all these two coins I'm showing you, I gave them 3 to 4 weeks to play out. So if you are buying any of this coin, you should be able to wait for the next 3 to 4 weeks. So let's look at fronts, fundamentals, fronts. So that's it, fronts. They are fundamentals. I think they are also a solid project. So looking at it, front market cap, $777 million. Market cap dominance, okay. All right, 24 hours volume, all-time high, $6, all-time low, 0.2. Good. We are still very far from the all-time high. So let's go back to our technical. Now, what do you notice here? Look at a pattern playing out. The same pattern want to repeat itself. When it played out here, see, when we have triple bottom here, so this was a triple bottom for this market. The market touching a particular triple bottom, touching a particular support area, and it refused to break it. So triple bottom happened here. You can see what happened next. The market went up. So the same thing is happening here. Now we're having a double bottom here, a place where the market gets to and it refuses to sell lower. It supports. So we are having a double support at this junction. So what do we have? Double bottom. So we have double bottom. So double bottom is happening here. All right. So double bottom. Now, aside that, there is a triangle I want you to pay attention to. I'm not sure you saw that, but I can see it, and you should as well. Let's connect these 3 lines together. So this is a triangle here, and you know what this triangle always says. It has a meaning. This is what? A descending triangle, okay? A descending triangle. When you see a descending triangle like this, you know what is about to happen. Descending triangle. So a descending triangle is here. what do you expect next? You expect price to do this. Okay, price to break out of this place, then give us a retest, then we have a movement. No, let me just do a one. So this is what is about to happen after double bottom has been confirmed. The market did a descending triangle, trying to repeat the pattern we have here, this triple bottom. So we are going to repeat the same thing here. In the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, this should play out. It can play out very fast. It might even happen tomorrow, but I'm giving it at least a month to play out this structure and give me this. So if you are going to buy, where should you enter? At this present price is where you enter. At this present price, you should enter the market. Anywhere from here, so let me give you a range. Anywhere from here to this place is an entry area for me. Within the inside this triangle is an entry area. So where do you stop your loss? Let's say the structure did not play out. You stop your loss below the last support. This is a support area. Put your loss here. Let the market take you out. Where do you take your profit? The first profit happen at the next resistance, which is here. So you can come down, take profit around this area. This is a good place. That's on some 50 something percent. Then the next take profit can happen over here. You can take your next profit over here very far, but then that means I'm talking about this area, though it's far to you. If you switch to 1 hour and 1 day, you will know it's not far. So you can take your next profit over there, depending on how well you are okay with the market. But this is going to play out very soon because the market is on a support level. Look at it. Generally, this is a support area for this market. Whenever the market gets to this area, it always bounces back. So it happens there, the market bounced back. It got to the same place, it bounced back. It's at that junction again now. Accumulation is happening, the market is going to bounce back and it's already bouncing back. So don't miss out. You can buy this coin now, look at this name, Front BTC, and make some cool cash in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks. So that is about that. Look at what I'm saying. I've just used a system of support and structure of the market to tell you what is going to happen in this market. So for those people on my WhatsApp, they will see the signal already on my WhatsApp, just telling you the exit and entry, the stop loss in this video. So that is all I'm going to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that whenever I load a new video on my YouTube page, you always get notification. As from today, I'll be bringing so many signals on this YouTube page. I will be telling you my market sentiment, what I think is going to happen in the market, what I feel about some coin, and I'm going to be sharing my ideas with you so that you also can make money as I'm making money. So do have a lovely day. Thank you for coming, and God bless you.